In the heart of an ancient courtroom, where the echoes of past judgments linger, sits the stern and wise Judge Elara, known throughout the land for her unwavering fairness and dedication to justice. Today, she faces one of the most challenging cases of her career, the trial of Thalen, a young man accused of theft in a small village. The evidence is murky at best. A few villagers claim they saw Thalen near the scene, and an old man insists he caught a glimpse of him sneaking into a house. But Thalen swears his innocence, providing an alibi that seems just as plausible. "Your Honor," speaks the prosecutor, a fiery woman named Varon, "the defendant was clearly seen at the scene. The villagers have testified." She gestures dramatically to the gallery, where whispers of agreement ripple through the crowd. "Yet," counters Liz, Thalen's quiet but sharp defense counsel, "those testimonies are riddled with inconsistencies. They are not enough to convict a man, to condemn him based on doubt and uncertainty." Judge Elara steeples her fingers, keenly observing the courtroom dynamics. The principle she must lean on is one as old as the law itself, in dubio pro reo, when in doubt, favor the accused. Her mind flashes back to her studies of legal history, the time when trials were transformed from brutal ordeals determined by superstition to the rational processes guided by evidence and fairness. The maxim in dubio pro reo is integral to this evolution, ensuring that justice is rendered with the highest moral integrity. The courtroom air feels thick with tension as she finally speaks, her voice clear and resolute. This court must weigh the balance of justice carefully. The principle before us, in dubio pro reo, is not merely a legal formality but a shield against the tyranny of presumption and uncertainty. To convict Thalen on such shallow grounds would betray the very foundation of justice we uphold. A hushed silence falls over the courtroom, the profound responsibility of the verdict hanging heavy. Thalen's eyes, a mixture of hope and anxiety, search Elara's face for any indication of her decision. "Therefore, given the lack of compelling evidence against the defendant, I cannot, in good conscience, condemn him. Thalen, you are acquitted of all charges." Relief washes over Thalen as he slumps slightly, the fear lifting from his shoulders. Liz grips his arm in reassurance. In the aftermath, the courtroom murmurs with the kind of quiet that speaks of respectful acceptance. Even Varon, whose bias was clear from the beginning, nods grudgingly, recognizing the fairness of the ruling. Judge Elara, satisfied with her verdict, knows that the true victory is not in guilt or acquittal, but in upholding the spirit of fairness and justice, ever vigilant, ever principled. With her decision cast, the gallery slowly disperses. The day's judgment will resonate within the walls of the courtroom and beyond, a testament to the enduring power of in dubio pro reo.